Very interesting problem is body is projected up with the speed u. Magnitude of time average velocity. The body during its ascent. During its ascent, you have to find the time average velocity. So what will be the average velocity? Average velocity mean in given time interval net displacement upon total time. So what will be the average velocity? The average velocity, that is what? Net displacement in given time interval. Net displacement in given time interval they have given for ascent motion. The net displacement in ascent motion, during ascent motion, during ascent divided by time taken during ascent motion. What will be the, when object is projected with u, what happen? How much distance it will cover during ascent? So during ascent mean last velocity becomes 0. Suppose this displacement is h. Initial velocity is u, final is v, gravitational acceleration is g. So what will be the net displacement? Mean total height taken during ascent. So that is what we know, v square is equal to u square minus 2gh. Upward motion, the v square is equal to u square minus 2gh. Final velocity will be 0. So that will come, h is equal to what? U square you have taken, to u square upon 2g. So this will be the net displacement during ascent. What will be the time taken? Same we have to apply. V is equal to u minus gt. Time taken during ascent. So final velocity is 0. U minus gt. This will imply that t is equal to what? U upon g. So during ascent, net displacement will be u square upon 2g. Time taken is u upon g. So what will be the average velocity? The average velocity will be h upon t, that is u square upon 2g divided by u upon g. G cancel, that will be u upon 2. So this will be the average velocity during ascent, that is u upon 2. So option A will be the correct option. See, one more problem I have given. A parachute after bailing out falls 50 meter without friction. When parachute opens, it deaccelerates at rate 2 meter per second square. If he reaches the ground with speed 3 meter per second, at what height did the bail out? Good problem. What they are asking, a parachute during bailing out, firstly it covers 50 meter. पहले बेटा कितने मीटर्स कवर करता है? 50 meters. After that parachute opens. See here. Suppose here this is bailout. Firstly it covers 50 meter. Here parachute open. Here acceleration will be what? In this motion acceleration will be g. After that, when it is bailing out, parachute open, its acceleration is 2 meter per second square, and when finally when it will reaches the ground, its velocity is how much? 3 meter per second. So what will be the total height from where it belonged? Here parachute open. Parachute open. Open. Firstly see, what will be the velocity gained by this after belling out, after covering 50 meter. Suppose G I have taken 10. So what happen? What velocity it will gain? So V is equal to what? Sorry, distance they have covered 50. So V square is equal to U square plus 2GH. Initial velocity will be 0. So 0 into 2G 10. Suppose I have taken 50 meter. So that will come 1000. So V is equal to under root 1000 meter per second or 10 root 10 meter per second. When parachute reaches down 50 meter, its velocity is how much? 10 root 10 meter per second. So at this point, this will behave like an initial velocity. When parachute open, initial velocity will be U will be this 10 root 10 meter per second. When reaches ground, its velocity is 3 meter per second. And parachute open, deaccelerate at the rate. So acceleration is what? Deacceleration mean negative acceleration. So deacceleration mean A is minus. Remember, deacceleration means negative acceleration. So acceleration is minus 2 meter per second. So what the distance it will cover downward? Suppose this it has covered height downward h dash. So what happened? V square is equal to U square plus 2a h dash. Final velocity is 3. Initial velocity 10 root 10 is square. 2a is minus 2h dash. 4h dash taken left. Square it. 10 10 ja 100. This is 1000 minus 9. This will come 991. So h dash will 991 divided by 4. 4 2 is 8. 1 4 and 31 about 7.5, or you can say nearby 280 to 214 meter. What would be the total height from where it builds? The total height. So 50 meter upward and this come to 48. So 50 plus 248, that is 298. That height 298 meter, it bells out. What happened after 50 meter? When parachute open, deacceleration, that is deacceleration A is equal to minus 2 meter per second square. When it will reach at the ground, its velocity becomes 3 meter per second. So what will be the correct option? A, B, C, D. So D, C 298 meter will be the correct answer.